Hi guys, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we are unboxing a box from Bulk. We received this box for $118 with $30 shipping, and this one came with a $4.44 processing fee, which we've never seen before. So if you have any idea what that's about, you can comment down below and let us know. But for us, that's the first time we're seeing this processing fee. Anyway, so it came to a grand total of $152.44. There are 24 items in this box, and I honestly don't remember what's in here, so this is all surprise to all of us. Alright, so I like when they leave little love notes and tell you exactly what's wrong with it, because then you don't have to guess. What is this? Can you see that? So it says missing 12-ounce bowl. What do we have? Lids? Lids?
It's like soul.
Oh, 3-piece set.
Oh, 2-piece set now.
2-piece set.
I'm not really sure what you would use that for, though.
TAPAS? 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 I don't know. We'll definitely be looking that up actually when we're done here. You want to put our 2-ball set in here? Opening. We'll put it down here.
And we have 2 little baby Batman hats.
Oh, they're so cute.
So little.
Oh, they probably won't fit our baby.
Nah.
I'm gonna try. Okay, next.
And this one is breast milk storage bags.
Nice.
So.
Oh, they're not really. Oh, wait. I think they're sealed. Oh, okay. So they come in their own little packs. It's very heavy, so if I had to assume, I'd say they were all in there, but we're going to count them out. But they are sealed in their little bags. Bags inside of bags inside of a box. That's right.
These are like still 2 cups for kids.
What's the ease?
So, of course, the box is missing though.
No packaging on this one, but they're nice.
What's this, a cacti?
Bottle cleaning set. And they look like cactuses. Cacti.
Missing 1 brush.
Missing 1 big brush and 2 small brushes. I'll
Was
translate
there
here.
nothing in there?
Yeah, that stinks. Here, let's open it, see what actually is in there. We had nothing better to do, right? Oh my goodness. They took it all.
Wow.
What did you use this for? I'm using my bread machine to get the
Yeah, right?
little
That's
tiny
about
pieces.
it.
At least we're getting something out of this. Oh wait, we put it back on. Okay, enough with that one. Next.
Alright, now this one says missing nail scissors.
That's all you need out of them. That's what you're actually going to use. Oh, not nail scissors, nail clippers.
Well, it says nail scissors on here, so
Nail
yeah,
scissors
nail
will.
clippers.
Oh, easy grip nail scissors. Oh, interesting little set.
So this is a portable blackout blind. So it seems like anywhere you can go, you can just, looks like suction cups to the windows of anywhere you're at, and it'll black out the sun.
Is it in there?
So yeah, it's in there.
Yeah, it's in there. Yay, we
That's
got
actually pretty cool.
one very good thing. Nice. I'm just gonna start like a good pile and a bad pile.
Yeah. So here's a good outfit. So this outfit is, I'm not allowed to date ever for a little baby girl. And it comes with.
Aww, little leggy type, leg warmers.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, because I thought they were socks at first,
Yeah.
but yeah, I see they go all the way through. So
Yeah, it's
that's pretty cool.
adorable.
Oh, sorry, they probably couldn't see that. So if you can get that closer for you.
How cute. That is brand new with tags. We love to see tags. That size newborn. If you're interested, look on the curry. Adidas.
Oh, Adidas.
Sorry. Adidas.
Size 4.
Yep, 4T. Nice silky. Got like a little rainbow right down the side. Oh, baby clothes.
Yeah. And, here's 18 months. Nike pants.
We just got the pants. I remember this. We thought it was going to be an outfit, but we got the little Nike pants.
Here's the shirts.
I know. It's a little upsetting.
So here's Infamil formula. So looks like it's brand new.
Aw.
Still in the pack. 6 of them. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's good. What is that?
Yeah, that does have some weight to it.
We have a date. October 1st. It's still good, huh?
Light filtering. Oh yeah, okay. So panel. Okay.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Didn't expect that.
Oh, so that's definitely
Oh, actually, there's 2 of them.
Yay! 2 of them!
Does help when you have both of them.
Which, oddly enough, we do okay when we only have 1, but we do have 2.
Yeah. So then we have.
The sewing machine. Lavender? Lilac? What do they call it? Lilac. Lady Lilac.
Yeah. So this. Well, the box is open, but
Definitely going to be testing this
Yeah.
out before
we'll
we
check
do
it out.
anything with
Yeah.
it. I will make at least 1 mask with this and then sell it. It
Make
works.
sure everything. Yeah. So this is beech nut fruit and veggie bars. I don't know if I'd even try that.
Apple and spinach. Yeah, we don't mess with food from anywhere other than the supermarket.
So
or
it's
anything.
piece
Oh,
of
this is cool.
magnetic lock system. Oh yeah, this is cool. 2 locks, 1 key.
That is
Pretty
so
cool.
Baby poo. Sorry, my pals are getting messed up, but that's alright.
And then we have a Breathe Easy kit, sick day essentials.
Aww.
So yeah.
That's a nasty picture. He's got the nose thing going on. Aw, it's new in the box too. Got vapor wipes, vapor rub. Aww. That is a nice little kit. It's smart.
Now the bag says missing items.
Oh.
Just got like
A bunch of onesies.
4 onesies. And
size
they're
are they,
all 18 months. Yeah. Okay.
That'd be good for customizing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and there are baby size. It'll say subscribe to Mommy and Daddy, Walt and Sarah.
Alright, so here's
Yeah. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna ruin the fun.
party bowl.
One bowl. Missing one.
Yeah.
So it's probably the center bowl, right?
Yeah, probably. But we
Oh
got them
no,
other.
they're each separate, so it could be any one of them.
Yeah. Who knows?
Oh, we have a fighting chance that it's just missing the center one. If it's missing one of these
Yeah.
outer ones, it's gonna be a little harder to do something with that. Boo.
I don't know. They should be like.
A lady warmer?
This is a perfect pool wipes dispenser. And it does look pretty nasty.
Please don't
Like
have no wipes
dirty.
in there.
Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty heavy though.
Oh boy. Interesting.
Yeah, you can get into it now.
Take down.
Mm-hmm.
Stay out.
So this.
Dr. Brown's. What's this in there? White bottle, wide neck bottle. Baby bottles, maybe. Sweet, they're big.
Oh, that is nice.
How many's in there?
Is that glass?
I know it.
And then it comes with this.
Whoa.
So I
Are
guess
they
it's
called
supposed
koozie? Cozy?
yeah, like cozy for it. Yeah. And that is glass?
Alright.
Nah.
It's glass. No, glass.
Yeah.
It says it on here, glass option.
Yeah, glass.
Wow. Like back in the day.
I know. It's a really nice bottle.
History repeats itself. That is nice.
And we have this baby monitor. monitor itself.
And the camera piece. That is really nice.
Yeah.
We use a baby monitor now, like this style, and love it.
Yeah, probably use this now.
Let's sell it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we'll test it. And there's one more thing in this box. One more thing. I do want to slide this away. Get out of here. Get so many bulk boxes. Ooh, what's this? Is this a stroller?
Well, there's a whole bunch of these in there.
Oh, these are one of the warmer things, isn't it?
Oh yeah, the baby.
Ooh, Baby Zen. What the heck is this? Yeah, Baby Zen. This is made in France. Whoa, these are too fancy for us. Some kind of plastic cover.
I didn't even know we were getting.
Fortunately, I don't have more information to give y'all, but we gotta look these up. Baby Zen. This is warm.
That's nice.
Ooh la la, play good.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And what's that?
Padding for it?
Go inside there.
Probably.
Oh yeah.
You don't have one comfy baby with this. I wonder if it's like an attachment to like a coach.
Yeah, there's a
So
couple
we
of
got
them
two of
down
them.
there, right? I know there's. Oh, you got two
So
of that?
yeah, one like that one goes with that one. This one goes with the one in the box.
Oh.
Hopefully this plastic cover doesn't go around it.
Very nice. What, you just got one? And then it's
Two.
also got the
Okay,
head.
yeah, it does. It actually covers. I don't know. Y'all can see the picture there, but it's got like a plastic
Yeah.
cover. This is really
With the
fancy.
head pillow.
Oh, look how tiny it is. That's cute.
Very nice.
All right. So we got some stuff to look up. We got some stuff to try. What do you think about this box?
I mean, I'm not gonna complain if we, like I
Baby
said,
monitor. We got the
Yeah.
Baby Zen things, which are gonna be probably very good. Hopefully, we got the curtain panels that are my favorite. Yes, we got Nike and Adidas.
the
Technically,
sewing
pants.
machine.
The sewing machine. That's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. It's a shame a lot of this stuff is missing. So
Yeah, it's so cool. I just want to see it.
Wouldn't you just throw that away? I
Throw
mean,
away.
why would you even?
I mean, you could sell it for $100.
Hey.
I mean, that was our processing fee right there.
I would just throw that away. If I was a worker there, that would have went in the trash.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going in the trash
I
now.
just wanted the brush anyway. Keep the cup. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching us unbox another box from Bulk. Make sure you subscribe so he lets me make more videos. See y'all next time.
She's not allowed to spend no more money unless you subscribe.
So subscribe for me!